If your team runs on Microsoft Teams, here's exactly how to get Fathom recording and transcribing those calls, so you walk away from every meeting with a full AI summary and action items without taking a single note. Unlike Zoom, Teams doesn't need a separate connection step inside Fathom. As long as you signed up or signed it with your Microsoft account, your calendar is already synced. Open the Fathom desktop app and you'll see today's scheduled Teams meetings listed right in the drawer. One thing worth knowing, Fathom only pulls in meetings that are scheduled on your calendar and have a Teams link in the meeting's location field. If a meeting was shared differently, it may not appear here automatically. As your meeting gets close, hover over it in the drawer and click Join Meeting, then hit Open Microsoft Teams when it prompts you. Inside Teams, click Join Now to enter the call. You'll see a lobby notification pop up at the top of the screen. Click Admit to let Fathom's note taker in. That's the moment it enters the call and recording begins. It shows up in the participant list so everyone can see it's there. Once others are in the meeting, recording will kick off on its own. If you're testing solo and don't have other participants, just click Skip and start recording now to get it going. During the meeting, if something worth saving comes up during the call, hit the highlight button to clip that moment. You can share it or come back to it from your dashboard the moment the meeting ends. Once the call finishes, head over to your Fathom dashboard. The Teams meeting will show up in My Calls within about 30 seconds. Open it and your full AI summary, action items, and the complete searchable transcript are all already there. Every Teams meeting documented and ready to act on, without you writing a word. That's the full workflow for Teams. Make sure you're on the latest Fathom desktop app, open the drawer before your call, hit Join Meeting, and Fathom takes it from there. New to Fathom, my full setup tutorial is linked in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.